Hotel, if you get any mobility issues, pick this hotel. It's right on the front, no messing about with any hills. 22 degrees I think just now, a wee bit windy. You go all the way along to the left, you come to I think the marina down there. You go down to the right about 10-15 minutes, you come to the wee boardwalk restaurant I've done a sunset walk at. Brilliant location, looks like a really nice hotel. I'll show you the swimming pool. That's the rooms you want, overlooking the pool. Looks lovely. I did price this up coming here. It was way above my £29 a night budget that I paid for the Castillo Beach. But I can tell you, it's a lot nicer. There's a pool. Not sure if it's heated or not. Looks the kind of place where it is heated. That one out the front's the one you're going in it. Nice. This wee area here. Really nice. How you doing, Aye?
Hi, I'm Alec.
Oh, how you doing, Alec?
I've been following you on the...
How you doing?
On the... YouTube.
Aye, great to meet you.
You came across the Lanzarote, eh?
That's right, aye. Great to meet you. I didn't expect to meet MD in here. It's a lovely hotel, isn't it?
It's lovely, aye.
As I was just saying, are you staying here?
I'm staying here, aye.
Aye. Would you recommend it? Don't know. Food okay?
They're all inclusive, so the food's hit or miss.
Oh, is it?
You're not going to starve.
Aye, okay.
There's always something.
So location's brilliant. I was just doing a wee video there, and I was just saying how the location is one of the best here because you're not messing about going up the hill or anything like that.
No.
Where are you from, Alec?
Livingstone.
Oh, Livingstone. Okay, you're a Livingstone fan.
I'm a Rangers fan.
Oh, you're a Rangers fan, aye. No worries. I was in the Flower of Scotland pub last night watching the Suburban game.
Right, alright.
You been in there yet?
Aye, we were here in December.
All right.
And we were staying up over the top end, up the hill a bit. There's
Right.
2 nice apartments up there, but one or two of them, they're like sort of, they needed it done up type.
Aye, the one I'm in definitely needs done up. I'm in the Castillo Beach, but I'm paying next to nothing for it. No, I mean, this is obviously a lot nicer, but
Right.
You having a nice time anyway?
Yeah, aye, yeah.
Aye, and the weather's looking quite good today, isn't it?
Oh, it's superb.
Aye, it's not too windy. I'm that's me going back home today.
Are you alright?
I'm literally just going to the airport after this almost.
you?
Aye,
Oh,
I'll do a wee walk around the promenade and then I'm going to the airport.
Right, right.
That's it. But I've
Well,
been.
have a safe trip home.
Aye, great meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Aye, and thanks.
Is that? I seen you and I says, what's he doing here? He was in Calero, eh? And I'm like,
That's right, I'm here just for one night, aye. Here for one night. So aye, no listen, well thanks so much for watching the channel. I really appreciate it, and great meeting a fellow Scot.
Okay.
Take care, mate.
You take care.
Alright.
Enjoy your travel.
Aye, have a nice holiday. See you, mate. That was a wee surprise for us, wasn't it? Great to meet you. So, feedback there was, hotel's nice, food's hit and miss, he's on all inclusive. So, there were different board bases here. Let me know MD stayed here, would you recommend it? That was great, meeting a viewer, absolutely brilliant. Let's head out, I'll show you where it's located. There's a wee strip of bars just next to it here. So beach and sea to the left, shopping centre and bars and restaurants just up to the right, 5-minute walk. I mentioned the Flower of Scotland pub there. If you like your karaoke, go in there. Starts at 9 o'clock. Did start a wee bit later last night because there was an annoying Scotsman watching the St Mirren Aberdeen game. What a victory for the Saints. Very kind of them to put it on for me, and they kept it on till the karaoke started. So round to the right, you've got this wee strip of bars, which is reasonably busy today. A few places up there advertising pints are €1.80 and €2, so pretty affordable. Done a video walking by there, you'll see it in the channel as well. There's a menu there, we've got the Jack there doing live music. And we've got the restaurant Mar Dorada, which is one of the best located restaurants here. It is right on the seafront. So interesting to hear. That hotel looks fantastic, but obviously mixed reviews about the food. Let me know if you stayed there. There'll be a few hotels in the front here that will be all inclusive. Plenty of bars and restaurants, but in Caleta De Fuste it is a quiet resort, there's no doubt in that. It's pretty quiet, but you'll always find somewhere you'll have a good night. I was in the Irish bar as well, O'Connor's. I just popped in there to see what the live music was like. Brilliant singer, wasn't busy, but really it was really quiet. We've normally got table and chairs out here. I think they're probably just bringing them out. Yeah, they're probably just bringing them out. It's lovely here. So this is a nice place to sit. Nice, eh? Probably another hotel there as well. So a wee walk along, viewers, why not? And there's the pool that I just came from. How nice does it look? They've got a lifeguard on. I don't think it's going to be required for that pool. Again, pretty similar to a lot of these hotels. Not high rise, just a few floors. So pretty nice. How you doing? What's that? You're staying up there? Oh, is there a rooftop pool? A hot tub's alright. Thanks for the info. Yeah, cheers. You too, thanks. There you go. More information. They've got rooftop, hot tub, maybe a wee pool there. I was just trying to get information there. Obviously, a lot of people sunbathing there, so I couldn't speak too loud. But that was good. Getting inside information from viewers who are actually staying at the hotel. There's a ferry. Fast ferry I got from Playa Blanca to Correeco. €18 one way. So if you're in Lanzarote or Fuerteventura and you fancy doing a wee bit of island hopping, it's not going to cost you much. Go for it. Got another hotel here. Pool looks really nice. Yeah, looks really nice. So location wise, can't really beat that hotel. This couple sitting in the rocks looking out to sea, nice, eh? Promenade's beautiful here, Caleta De Fuste. If you're into walking, cycling, running, this is a good place. Guy doing his fishing there. Kids play part there. Oh, wee dog. The wee dog looks hot. I think the view's beautiful, eh? If you're new to the channel, just hit the wee button below it, say subscribe, it's absolutely free. The wee red button and click the bell for all notifications. You get a wee message when I upload exciting new videos. So I'd just like to say thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Look at the views here, absolutely beautiful. Great meeting a fellow Scot on my travels. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.